morning, guys. It's it, what's up, you guys? It's going on. What you guys be up to? Anything fuck special? Anything exciting? Well, right now, you guys, I'm just relaxing before I go to work. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done at work. So I'll talk to you guys then.
So right now, you guys, my gas light came on and it's like, oh no, I need to get gas sometime. Hopefully I can make it in town. Hopefully. I should be able to make it in town. Hopefully, cross my fingers, I hope we can make it in town. If not, it's going to be a little fun doing some stuff. So it's really challenging sometimes when we run out of gas. Yes, sometimes it is really hard to. I totally forgot to get gas last night, so I should have got gas yesterday, but nope, never thought of it. So that's what we did. So talk to you guys when maybe tonight we will try to get gas after work. Hopefully I can make it into town. Hopefully, cross my fingers. So talk to you guys when we maybe possibly make it in, maybe not do it, I don't know, so I'll talk to you guys then. Hey guys, so right now you guys, I'm just heading in, so I'll talk to you guys when I am heading in. Hey guys, so right now you guys, I'm just heading out to get gas, because I didn't have time to get gas before work, so right now you guys, I'm just heading out to get gas, so I'll talk to you guys when I get gas. Hopefully the gas bar is open. Hopefully, cross my fingers, hopefully, cross my fingers, hopefully.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow for a new video. Goodbye!